Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas everybody. Welcome back to a brand new video. Now in today's video, we're gonna be gifting my best friend his ultimate Grail sneaker. Now if you didn't know, I'm selling basically my entire collection. And by the time you see this video, all of these shoes should be live on my website at shopsoultopia.com. I thought about what I should give Mr. David Got Kicks, and I had some initial ideas of gifts, but they didn't top this one right here. This one is a mwah. This one's a chef's kiss. I figured this video wouldn't be fun if I just gave it to him, so we're gonna try doing some challenges and make him work for this gift, because honestly, it's worth it. So he is going to be getting his Grails, but I do have this pair right here. This is the first pair that I'll be giving him just to get his reaction. These are some black toe Jordan 1s. And we have this like inside joke where we'll look at shoes, and if they look kind of goofy, we'll kind of look at each other and just, we have this connection where we could kind of read each other's minds. So I think he might think that I legit got these for him, which is fine. There's nothing wrong with these. When you compare it to what I actually got him, night and day, baby, night and day. So here is his actual gift. This is a pair of, oh, you see the soles. Ooh, wee. Ooh, that's spicy. We got a pair of Chicago 1s right here, baby. And not just a normal pair of Chicago 1s, but these are a pair of 1994 Chicago 1s. Look at these. And they're still in great condition as well. So if you've been watching my channel for a while, you probably saw me do a video of these way back in the day. I did a full restore, and people were roasting me for buying these on eBay because I got them for a really good price. But now that the Chicagos are super high in price, even the recent release Chicago 1s, they're going for over $1,000 if I'm not mistaken. And David honestly loves this shoe. I know how much he loves this shoe, and I don't wear it. I actually had a hard time finding it. So if that doesn't tell you I don't wear them, I don't know what will. So I went ahead, looked for them, and I finally found them. And I think David is gonna go bonkers. He'll probably think that I'm joking with him, but in all honesty, I'm just gonna give it to him because he actually ended up borrowing this pair when he went to Chicago because he wanted to wear Chicago 1s in Chicago. Ooh, Mr. Cool Guy. And I think that's the last time this pair got worn. This was maybe like 1 to 2 years ago. Best Friend of the Year award. Type the dubs in the comments. Type the dubs in the comments. David's gonna pull up in a bit. I still don't know what I want him to do for this. I kind of want to do some sort of challenge or something, but we're just gonna roll with it. I'm rocking some of the merch that I made last year. Wait, you gotta see the back though. You gotta see the back. So many sneakerheads. Ho, 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 ho. All right, so we're just gonna wait for David to pull up. And again, we're just kind of going with the flow. We're trying to see how this goes right here. It should be pretty funny. You know how it is when David's around. We usually joke and usually there's some sus activities going on. All right, dude. Dude. What? Sorry. I'm just very excited. Your gift.
You are my gift.
That's nonsense.
Shut up.
You're well, you're happy. That's all I want to see. That's all I really want. No, dude, no, let's do the other video.
No.
No,
we were gonna do the challenge video, but...
We still can.
Guys, we went to the mall earlier, and David has to go pretty soon. So I don't know if we could do the challenge video, so... I don't know, I'm excited. I just want to give him his gift.
I'll come back tomorrow. We'll do it.
Dude.
I'll come back tomorrow and we'll do it. And then I can bring my gift for you too.
No.
What do you think,
No.
What?
Okay, well, can we just tell them what we're doing right now?
Okay, so
Back
as
door.
you guys know,
Backdoor, baby.
Mr. SneakerHeadInTheBay is selling all of his collection, maybe keeping like 10 pairs. And I'm here getting first dibs. But I'm trying to ask him like, yo, what are you selling these on the website for? Because, you know, most of the time, you know, you buy shoes off someone, they'll give you like a better price. But I'm trying to support you, dog.
You want to support me?
Yeah. I don't want those.
$2,000.
I don't want those.
Guys, David wants a couple heaters, all right?
I do.
And he has always been into Nike SBs. So we have that relationship, you know, and we're so we have this connection, right?
Yeah.
So I'm telling him right now, these on the site, $650. But right now, David, $350.
That's a great deal.
Yeah,
but
he doesn't
I don't
want
want
to do it.
that.
He doesn't want to do it.
I want to support you. 200.
So right now he has Hawaii's and he has infrared 90s. These things I didn't even get to wear that much. I wore them like once or twice.
Definitely twice.
Smells like chow mein.
Smells like fungi.
Yeah, I got my other pair over here. It's like my beater pair, but yeah. I just feel like giving you your gift right now, dude.
But don't. But why? You're gonna defeat the purpose. You're gonna defeat the purpose.
No. Okay,
what about that video we're gonna do?
We're doing it right now.
Okay, let's do it. Wow, dude, that's so big. Like, how did you make it look like this?
What do you mean?
Like the tongue, it's long.
If you can make me laugh with water in my mouth, you get your gift.
Dude, you're gonna laugh before I start talking. Don't spit on me, dude. I just want to see how long you can hold it in your mouth for, dude. That's pretty good. That takes some talent. I'm gonna show you my now, dude. Seriously, God.
David's turn. If I make him laugh, then he gets a gift.
I'm gonna spit out.
Don't make a mess. Maria isn't coming in for a couple more days. Dude, are you serious? What are you doing? What are you doing, dude? The drips.
Did you see the drips from my nose?
Was that real?
No, dog, I'm faking it. This is real.
No, I believe you're faking it. That wasn't even funny. We didn't even start.
Look at my eyes. See, I'm crying.
We didn't even start.
Okay.
I know exactly what I'm gonna say. All right, I'll go back. Get my tripod. Okay. Got it. You ready for All right, you're done. Close your eyes. Jesus Christ. What are you All right, we put him through enough pain. Damn, you got the Hawaii's wet.
I don't want them anymore. I didn't pay for them yet.
Oh wow, I got a little bit wet too. Guys, do you think he's gonna like his gift?
Dude, why is your flashlight under here?
Oh, I was cleaning it. It's still air drying. Okay, close your eyes.
Okay.
Yeah, you're gonna have to guess your gift.
Oh wait, I'm using this as a mirror. Okay, my eyes are closed. Dude, is it appropriate?
Yeah.
Like for real?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh, let me turn on this light.
What the hell?
Here you go. Turn this way, turn this way, turn this way.
Okay.
Okay, right here.
My throat hurts, dude.
I am so sorry.
Why do you put me through that? Am I supposed to guess, like...
Just open the box, dude.
They're dunks. Yeah, definitely. Well, maybe, no, they're... I feel swoosh. I don't know. Am I supposed to guess the shoe?
Like what model
Oh,
is it?
wait.
You said dunk?
Yeah, they're... Wait, where's the tag for the tongue? It's a fake shoe? Hey, I'm happy with it. No, you're not. I'm happy with it. I was like, this is a dunk. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Bro, I'm happy with it.
Shut up. That's not your real gift.
I'm happy with it. I want those. I want those.
No, you don't.
I do. Liar.
This is a real one. No bull.
Okay.
Don't be stupid.
Okay.
You better be able to guess this one.
Oh, okay. I already feel like it's a Jordan 1 box because of the lid. Why is this? These feel different. Can I guess?
Yes.
Shadows. No. Oh wait, there's no like cushioning in here. What the heck? I don't know. Oh my gosh, off-white Chicago 1s?
Jesus.
Can I peep?
Yeah.
Yo! You're lying.
Enjoy.
No, dude. I want the other one.
Honestly,
I want the other one.
make out with me right now.
Dude, I want, no, give me the other ones. I was like, where's the cushion?
But he wants these.
I'll take those instead. What did you guys pick? Dude, what did you guys pick? These or these? I'll take these.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Oof.
Dude, I can't do this. Especially since they're not my size. No, I'm just kidding.
I was telling them that you borrowed it.
Oh, I did.
You borrowed it for Chicago.
These are the 94s, right?
Yes. Where's Chicago's in Chicago?
I'll buy these off you.
No.
Dude.
It's okay.
Okay, I'll just buy like 2 more pairs of shoes then.
Okay. Or you could do that thing that I like.
On camera or no? I was just cleaning my shoe.
Yeah.
Look, the stain's out.
Yeah, good thing you got it.
Yeah. Okay, I turned it off.
Alright, give me that back.
Here you go. That was believable.
Yeah, it was.
I'll see you later.
Yeah. Wait.
Damn it.
It's still on, dude.
Damn it.
Hey, yo, Josh, cut it. Right here.
Josh, cut it. Oh! Dude.
Here, just take it. No, seriously.
Okay.
Alright. Tell them where to buy the shoes.
ShopSoultopia.com. Can I post this or?
Yeah, dude, post it.
Hey, I would have been happy with the other ones, just letting you know.
You know why I decided to give you these?
Why?
I obviously haven't worn them since you gave them back.
Wow. Imagine. Thank you. Okay. I'm gonna buy some more shoes now. I was originally gonna buy some more, but now like makes me want to buy more shoes because I gotta support you.
Damn.
I was already gonna buy these anyways even before, so.
Man's just cashed out. Infrareds, Hawaii's, purple pigeons with Apaches, skater dyes. Wow. At least I'll get to visit my shoes one day. Thank you. I use that as trade-in value to get all these.
Yeah, so deduct, how much is 200?
1,500.
I have to buy another pair.
No, I'm just kidding.
No, I have to buy another pair.
Shattered backboards, 350 right now.
Yeah?
Just do it, dude.
Don't do this to me.
Oh, I got a pair that you might like.
Holy! I would, but there's no laces on here.
Ah, got you, got
What
you.
were these before?
What do you mean? Oh my god. The swoosh looks so bad right now.
I wish we had a time machine.
To stop me from doing the custom?
Yeah. And soul swapping my Red Force.
Those aren't for sale. Whoa!
Yo!
You want these? Yep,
Kind
still
of.
fresh.
How much?
Free.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll probably pay you to keep them.
That is it. That's gonna wrap up the video. Merry Christmas, everyone. Hope you guys had a beautiful Christmas out there.
How much for the baby bears? Just question. It's just a question.
Damn, dude.
No, just a question.
Offer.
No, God.
Offer.
Those are going for a lot. I'm just wondering how much you're asking. It's just like, if I'm already here, just helping you out.
This is a good pickup right here. There's a lot of heaters. This is going out Christmas Day.
Main channel or?
Main channel, yes.
Wow.
Christmas Day.
I made it to the main channel. Thank you for supporting Alex. If you guys already haven't subscribed to his channel. Oh, it's been so long, I don't even know what to say. Comment something down below. Let me know what you guys did think of this video. Again, thank you for supporting Alex. Make sure you guys are subscribed to his channel. If you haven't already, subscribe. Support the boy. Buy something off of his website, shopsoultopia.com. Link will also be in the bio or description down below.
What about your site?
Thank you for supporting me and my vlogging. I will get back into regular YouTubing next year, hopefully. You can support me on my website at hypebeaustarust.com. Buy some cool croc charms for you or the family. Whew. But yeah, thank you.
We're out of here. Goodbye.
Give me a kiss.
Alright. I'm not recording.
Oh, dude.
Wait. Uh-oh. It was recording.